Welcome to Alesha AI. I'll show you the exact steps to sign in. You're signing up for a free account with sponsorship ads running in your chat. Let's walk through the 6 simple steps. Step 1. Accept the terms and conditions and check the box. Step 2. Generate a name for your SmartLink. Step 3. Connect your YouTube or Twitch account. Step 4. Copy your SmartLink. Paste it into your channel's description and your links section. Step 5. Click the I've added it button. Step 6. Turn on the bot. Questions? Email us at support@aleshaai.com. Thank you for using Alesha AI. Happy streaming!